Learn and speak English BD. Listen, tell, practice. Listen to learn, tell to remember, practice to master.
Vegetable! Hello everyone! Today we will learn the different names of vegetables. Let's get started.
Potato. Potato means aloo. This is a potato. I eat potatoes every day. Tomato. Tomato means tomato. This is a tomato. Tomatoes are red. Onion. Onion means piyaj. This is an onion. Onion makes food tasty. Carrot. Carrot means gajar. This is a carrot. Carrots are good for your eyes. Cucumber. Cucumber means shasha. This is a cucumber. Cucumber is a fresh vegetable. Chili. Chili means mortgage. This is a chili. A chili is really spicy. Spinach. Spinach means palong shak. This is a spinach. Spinach is very healthy. Eggplant. Eggplant means bagoon. This is an eggplant. I like eggplant curry. Cauliflower. Cauliflower means fulgopi. This is a cauliflower. Cauliflower is white. Cabbage. Cabbage means badakupi. This is a cabbage. Cabbage is round. Corn. Corn means putta. This is a corn. Corn is very sweet. Garlic. Garlic means Russian. This is a garlic. Garlic is good for health. Peas. Peas means matarshudi. These are peas. Peas are green. Pumpkin. Pumpkin means kumra. This is a pumpkin. Pumpkin is big. Sweet potato. Sweet potato means mishti aloo. This is a sweet potato. Sweet potato is really sweet.